suspended. What happens now then?
Well, what we've done is we've not really suspended the girls, that's what a lot of people understand. We've suspended the selection of the girls. So the girls are very much a part of the program, right? But we've just suspended the selection until we go through the grievance procedures. We're hearing a whole lot of things out there about other issues, but only 3 things have been written to us about. And we have to go based on the documentation. So what we've done is just suspended the selection until we go through the grievance procedure as outlined in the contract, which means that we'll invite them to write to us about every other issue that they have, because we don't know what the other issues are, and specifically, not in general terms, so that we can address those things. So once those things are addressed, if people write to us individually and say they have no issue, then that means that there's nothing to address. But there obviously are some issues out there. So once we get those things out of the way, then obviously it means that there's no reason not to have a selection done. But it would not be the prudent thing to select someone while they have an issue, and therefore that's what we want to get out of the way.
So in other words then, so long as the girls, as in the past, would have written a collective letter, send to the JFF to iron out or to ask for a meeting with the other issues that they have that remain unsettled, and that meeting is held, then we begin the process of re-inviting them back.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's a logical thing to do. We can't, if we're going to have a sustainable program, then we have to address those issues. And therefore, the thing to do is, we don't want to have people who are unhappy who are in the camp. So let's resolve those issues first.
Okay. So once that meeting is held and the issues ironed out, then we're good.
And right now, our focus right now is to focus on the reggae girls that are playing on Sunday. That's the big thing for us now. We must commend them. They've done exceptionally well. A team that just came together, very late. I've been playing together before, trained for 1 hour, and then, it was so competitive against a team that went to the World Cup and did so well, so it's amazing. So we're focusing on that now and supporting them and ensuring that we get the 3 points on Sunday in fine style.
Lastly, so the door is not closed on the other reggae girls?
On the World Cup players? No, it has never been closed. We just want to resolve the issue.